Coucou! Aujourd'hui, je vais parler en anglais. Today, I'm gonna speak in English because I want to show you how the subscription page on my website, alicayel.com, works. So, today is a tutorial, an how-to video, and you are now on the welcome page of my website. Tu es prêt ou tu es prête? C'est parti! alicayel.com pour acquérir le français naturellement. So, you are now on the main page of my website, and if you go at the top of the page, you click on Join Us. You click on Join Us and you land on this page, which is the subscription page, to have access to stories, podcasts, and also all the published eBooks are included in the subscription for free. So, le livre numéro 1, les 30 petites histoires en français, you can download it on the subscription page. You can choose between a 1-year subscription, 15% off, and you get 15% off, or a monthly subscription, and the payment is recurring for a year. So you choose, and when you've chosen, we're gonna choose Join Now annually for the yearly subscription. You enter your email address. You also enter your card number and all the details of your card to pay. And if you want to be remembered, you can enter your phone number, but it's optional, of course. Then you click on Pay, and you will land on this page, on the Thank You page, Merci, which tells you that you will shortly receive an email to complete your registration. Then you need to check your inbox, your mail inbox, and to check your messages. And when you have received your message, you will receive a link. You click on this link to register. So you enter a username, an email, a password, and then you agree on the privacy details, of course, and you will land on the welcome page of the subscription, Bienvenue les French learners, which tells you how it works. So you can see you can download the ebook for free, and you have a search box to search for resources. So you think of a text you want to read, a type of text, for example, an easy text. You type easy, you type keywords in the search box. You can also type fun, sad, and then you click on search and you will have a list. So these are all the easy texts. Oh, you want to read about the elephant? So you click on the elephant and you see at the top you have the audio. You can read and listen to the text. You can download the text as a PDF, and you can also download the MP3, the audio. And then at the bottom of the page you have other related stories, two other related stories to keep on reading. Hope this tutorial helps you. It's very easy, as you can see, to use. And also remember, to acquire a language, you need to receive input. So read, listen, and enjoy, of course. It should be a joyful experience. If you have any questions, contact me directly or leave a comment below. Thank you, merci, à bientôt.